So here we have the Ford S-Max Vignale, which is the kind of top of the range, essentially really well-spec'd car. This is on a 19 plate. I'm going to start off firstly by showing you around the outside of the car. We're going to hop in after that and run through some of the controls on the inside of it from there. From the outside, you can see it's a 5-door car with alloy wheels and tinted windows. We're going to start off firstly inside the boot area of the car. The tailgate on this car will open electronically, as you can see. As you can also see, whilst we approach the back of the car, we have reversing sensors. Plenty of boot space. This is with 7 seats in place. You can, of course, fold these rear 2 down to increase this space further. And you can fold the middle 3 rows down. And it's all done with these buttons just here. So as you can see, that one is now folded down. If I was to press, say, this button, for example, that will fold that seat down over there. So very, very easy to do and very easy to increase this space fairly significantly. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back around to the front of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some of the controls on the inside of it from there. Just briefly before we climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that right now. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials first of all. On that left-hand side, we have the rev counter. We have the coolant temperature gauge. On the right-hand side, the speedometer and fuel gauge. In the middle, you can see the total miles of the car. They are 47,550, beneath which it will show you what gear this car is in. It's an automatic. We, of course, are in park currently. So we have 2 displays here, the left-hand one and the right-hand one. Over on that, or the central one, we have the digital readout for the speedometer. We can have our entertainment information, satellite navigation, or phone info displayed there. And over on the left-hand side, any of the menus you see now. We're on the trip computer menu currently, and that is done using these buttons for here, these buttons for the center. We have cruise control, speed limiter. We have our phone and stereo controls as well. Over into the center, you'll then find the main touchscreen. Lots of menus along the bottom, or your main menu up in that top left-hand side where you can access your satellite navigation. Really easy system to use. Your audio options for the car. So AM, FM and DAB radio, CD player, Bluetooth audio as well, and 2 separate USB inputs, which will appear up here if you plug devices into them. Again, back to the home screen. This is where you pair your phone.
Search for your vehicle on your device and select it once it is found.
And just follow the instructions on screen from there. We've also got our heated passenger and driver seat with 3 different heat settings on each. Heated steering wheel in the center just there. At the bottom, we've got our climate control menu. So you can adjust the passenger temperature, the driver temperature. You can determine the direction of the air. The fan speed as well is just here, so you can turn that up and down as you wish. You can redirect the air where you wish. That's your air conditioning off. Back on again. We do have physical controls for this, which I'll come to in just a moment. We've also got a full color reversing camera with guidelines showing you what direction the car is headed in as well. Working our way down, we have the CD player, the main volume for the stereo. We've got a few of our air conditioning buttons here, so you can turn your air conditioning off and on. We've got our heated rear screen. We can recirculate the air that's in the car. We have a heated rear screen over on that left-hand side. This button puts the air conditioning into auto. The car will take full control of the fan speed and direction of the air, which you can hear it doing, to maintain the temperature that you've asked for. Below this is where you can make the adjustments yourself. So fan speed up and down, temperature up and down for the driver, passenger, heated passenger seat with 3 different heat settings, heated driver seat with 3 different heat settings. Inside here we have 2 USB inputs and a 12-volt charging socket as well, and then the gear lever for the fully automatic gearbox. In the center of that we have the button for sport mode, so that will put the gears, so the gears will essentially rev higher in each gear. We have got parking sensors we can turn on and off. The stop and start we can turn on and off. This car's designed to cut out when it's stationary in traffic. That in turn will save you fuel, and this car has autonomous parking, so it can parallel park itself, it can perpendicular park itself, it can also get you out of a parallel parking space as well. Essentially, it will look for a space for you. When it finds one, it will take control of the steering, telling you what to do in terms of what gear to be in, when to brake, etc. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car for yourself and have a test drive, please feel free to give us a call here at 7daysonly.co.uk. We'd love to hear from you soon.